This is Kingsley Oturu, and this is Global Climate Talks. Remember that conversations lead to solutions. Today, I'm going to talk about how to cope with the heat waves. 6 public health tips. We know that there's a heat wave at the moment across Europe and even parts of the United States of America, even parts of Europe. You have wildfires now as a result of the heat waves. But what can we do with this high temperature that has persisted for a long time? Well, tip number one is to hydrate. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Ensure that you have about 8 glasses of water a day. And don't wait until when you are thirsty. Ensure that you space it out and you have a water bottle with you wherever you go during the heat wave. So, tip number two, stay indoors during the peak hours. For example, between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., when the sun is hottest, try and stay indoors and avoid the sun during those peak hours. You can wear a wide brimmed hat and also take a sunscreen as well. So, tip number three, dress for success by wearing light colored, loose fitting clothes. Light fabrics that will keep your body warm and reflect the sun's rays. So think breathable. So this is different from going about naked. So a lot of people go about wearing skimpy clothes and increase their risk of skin cancer. So please don't go out semi-naked. Wear loose fitting clothes unless you're indoors in your house. So when you're at home, tip number four, keep your home cool. Create a cool oasis at home. You can use fans, close the curtains, turn on the air conditioner if you have it. And if you don't, consider visiting public places like libraries or the mall to escape the heat. So, tip number five, remember to check on vulnerable individuals. So, you have elderly relatives, parents, uncles, aunties, make sure to check on them to ensure that they are staying cool and hydrated. A quick check in can make all the difference. And then tip number six is to understand the signs of heat exhaustion. So, symptoms such as heavy sweating, weakness, dizziness, when people are experiencing this, it means that they're getting to a point where they're unable to cope with the heat. So, you need to move them to a cooler place, hydrate them, and seek medical attention if needed as soon as possible. Call your emergency health number and ensure that they get help. So there you have it. Those are the 6 tips for coping with the heat wave. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep hitting that subscribe button and remember to stay hydrated. So if you enjoyed this video, I want to hear from you. Put a comment in the chat box below. And remember that conversations gives rise to solutions. Thank you very much.